Today I have got a fantastic lesson for you that works every single time. I am going to explain to you the sandwich method of dressing. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Barra. I have been a personal stylist for 26 years, dressing celebrities and private clients throughout that time. I'm here to help you build wardrobes that mix and match easily. Now, before I go on, please like, subscribe, share with your friends, tell your friends about my content because all of that helps YouTube present it to more people. Thank you so much in advance. Now, the sandwich method is all about balance, and there is several different ways that you can actually present that in an outfit. Now, number one is to use different textures. Different textures in similar tones in a monochromatic way can make an outfit look really elegant. Now, the way in which we do that is to have maybe one light fabric with a more structured fabric. So let's say, for example, we have silk sandwiched between maybe knitwear and leather. So that knitwear and leather tend to be a little stronger and the silk is very light and flowy and elegant. Putting those three different materials together in similar tones works really well. So the way we do this is different tonal looks of the same colour. Let's say, for example, you choose chocolate brown. It could be quite muted or quite deep. The overall outfit is all in chocolate brown. It can be different shades and tones of chocolate brown, but it's all chocolate brown. The key to this and the way that you can make this work really well, like I say, is to either choose one really heavy structured fabric like leather or like knitwear, for example, and then a lighter, more flowy fabric. So a really good one would be silk. An alternative to that could be linen, or it could be chiffon or something like that. But what we're trying to do is overall, if someone said to you, what colour are you wearing? You would say brown, but it's lots of different shades of brown in lots of different fabrics, so it catches the light differently. So that's number one, the tonal sandwich method. Now, number two is what I would call bookending. So we're choosing something on the bottom of our outfit and something near the top of our outfit which link together. Now, I've often said to you about linking accessories, so this is an alternative to that. So let's say, for example, you might have a red silk scarf that you link together with a pair of red shoes, or you could have a brown pair of brogues that you link together with a trilby with a brown leather trim on it. So it's a way of topping and tailing your outfit, and then you've got the rest in between. So the rest in between is what's inside the sandwich, your shoes and your neck scarf, or maybe your hat with the trim on is the bread either side. There's several ways that you can do this, but I would say it's got to be something around the neck, on the head, or maybe your earrings, something like that, that then links through to your shoes. So that's number two. Now, if you want to upgrade your wardrobe, definitely request a discovery call with me. I would love to meet you. I'll put the link here and in the notes. It's just 15 minutes where we talk about your goals and how I can help you. Now, number three is proportional balance. This is a different sandwich, but we're talking about volume and lack thereof. You might have a very flared skirt. You might have culottes a little bit like I'm wearing here, very wide leg trousers. Then on the top, you might have a fitted V-neck top, a polo neck, or a tailored blazer with a polo neck underneath. And then you wear it with a pair of delicate heels. So the lack of volume in the top and the lack of volume in your shoe is the lower end, and then the higher volume is obviously in your trousers or your skirt. Now, you could do this the other way, but I don't think it works the other way so well. Very chunky shoes with a very fitted and elegant skirt will look quite off balance, but this way round it works really well. It's more delicate on your shoe, more delicate on the top half, and then you're adding volume around the middle. So that's number three, the third type of sandwich method. Now, next up is the colour pop sandwich method. This is something I've spoken about before, about having one hero colour in your outfit. Maybe it's all brown, maybe it's all navy, maybe it's all cream, maybe it's all black, something quite neutral. But then you have one pop colour which you link through somewhere else. For example, it could be burgundy, it could be cerise pink, it could be red, it could be bright yellow. This works really well in the winter when it's very dull and cloudy and everyone's feeling ugh. To have one bright colour looks really lovely and elegant. And I think the way that this works really well is to link that colour somewhere else. So a little bit like one of my other suggestions earlier on, I would have maybe a neck scarf linked with a pair of shoes, or maybe it's a belt linked with a pair of shoes, or it could be the collar on a top. It could be you wear a V-neck jumper that's very neutral and then you've got a bright coloured, maybe red shirt underneath. So you just see the collar poking out of the neck and you link that to a red pair of shoes. This colour pop method works really well. It's a great way to wear an otherwise neutral outfit but have one pop of colour that you use to link through, and it's very effective. So I would choose a colour that's quite bright, yellow, turquoise, red, or something vibrant, burgundy, maybe an emerald green could work really well. So something that you link through to somewhere else. Otherwise, have the rest of your outfit in neutral, charcoal grey, your silver grey, your beige, your brown, black, those type of shades. So I hope you found that helpful. Like I say, if you would love help with your wardrobe, definitely request a discovery call with me. I would love to meet you. We can have a chat for 15 minutes. The link is in the notes. Have a wonderful week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.